Now, she's finishing up that corner.
Somebody can put in a new piece, even anywhere.
Oh, I know, because they snap in. So you stay within your row, like here.
You're not getting what I'm saying.
I know exactly what you're saying.
We put a whole piece in right here. It's gonna go over that. We can't do that. We can't do that. If we start at this end and put a new piece down, we can't do that.
I've done this before. I know exactly what you're talking about. But what I'm saying can be done. Me and Danny have done it a million times. All you have to do is keep with your measurements and stay the same. Work behind each other.
But we can't be in sync if everything not.
See, now like that one, you can't put that in because that piece got to fit in the middle.
That's what I've been trying to tell
So
you.
if y'all are counter cutting, like you're countering off the pieces, which means you're making them stagger. One piece longer than the other one shorter than the long one. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Oh,
Hey, shorty, give me glasses.
huh?
Y'all be careful with her because she got them glasses on. So y'all know me on the ground when I know how important them glasses is.
Shit, you ain't gotta tell me.
Nah.
I wear
You
contacts.
see me though, on bro.
You gotta have that look.
I can't
You
see
got that look
shit.
on either side.
Oh,
You
yeah.
gotta pick that piece up.
The whole piece now?
No, that piece. You gotta cut another piece because that don't got no lip on it at all. You can't even snap it in.
Man, I ain't trying to cut a whole brand new piece though.
You don't have to do it, shit. You gotta do what you gotta do.
Alright, let's go.